Hey everybody, here's the 2 products you need to have perfectly snatched brows. Number 1, NYX's The Brow Glue. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul. They're the first thing people usually notice about you. If you've overplucked your brows or have been losing hairs, this product works wonders. NYX Brow Glue lifts, defines, and locks even the tiniest brow hairs and keeps them in place all day. And number 2, NYX's Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. Now on to the finishing touches. NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen, I'm using it in the color taupe, which is perfect for blondes, is so simple to use to create brow hairs. The color doesn't rub off and it lasts all day. These 2 products together elevates and enhances your entire face. So now you can enjoy perfect brows at any age.